Hello YouTube, Route 0766 with one more episode about the Mustang. I just want to share this is unplanned work that needs to be done because I think the gasket from the transmission pan is leaking. One day I was doing like weekend drive and maybe 30 to 40 miles I used the car. Then when I came home, the driveway was some spots from the oil underneath of the car, and I check out that was the gasket. Then I just gonna make this video to show and share how I do the transmission fluid service on the Mustang 66. I'm gonna take the opportunity now to replace the filter, and also I'm gonna replace the vacuum moderator valve. It's simple and cheap. It's a good time to do it, and then make a clean the pan as well. Thank you. I put sealer in between the gasket and the pan just to be sure no leaks. Well, I just about to put the vacuum moderator, and then I just put a little grease on the tip to insert it. In that way you ensure you don't drop it inside the transmission in the transmission hole here. Then with that thing, just secure everything is there. Then I just put a little grease too on the gasket. It looks like a bigger gasket, I'm not sure, but let's see if it should be fit there with the grease. Let's see. I'm gonna keep moving and put it on. Then I'm gonna put the filter and then the pan. When I come back from vacation, I'm gonna just pull the oil. I don't want to leave open the transmission because maybe we corrode it. Anyway, keep going. And I use this wrench. It's really hard to find really skinny wrenches to fit in that little spot there. Then but these make the work. This is my motorcycle wrench to adjust the shock, the spring shock, the spring from the shocks, and other stuff for the motorcycle. But these make the work really good. They made the job really good. This thing is fitting no problem, easy. Okay, continue with the assembly of the vacuum moderator. I already put it here. Very nice and easy to put it on. Then I put back the gasket with the blue sealer. I don't think so tight, but looks like it's coming off from the base and the pan. But hopefully it's not that bad. You already put the oil. I think I use only less than 3/4. I measure the oil here. It says 3/4, but I think it's less than that. Are you already put it there? I think I'm gonna let it overnight to rest. And the thing I did was a combination of this guy. This is a stop sleep for transmissions, and I don't know, maybe I use a cheap oil for release for the transmission, but this is what I use to put it on. It's almost 3/4. I'm gonna let it overnight and start the engine tomorrow. And if I don't see any leaks or anything, I just put down the car, drive it, and then seat it running, and take a look at what is the level of the oil with the oil tip. Well, that is the update. Hopefully everything is okay and I keep moving the car. Thank you, YouTube. Well, this is the last video for the transmission pan service I did in my Mustang 66. Just wanted to show you a little bit of my car. This is the interior. And, I don't want to say it's perfect, but it's pretty much clean, as you see. Everything inside, and then I'm just gonna turn it on. Just gonna open it. No issues. I was driving it. I just had like a 3/4 more. Well, 3/4 of the quart to complete the full level for the oil, the transmission oil. I'm just gonna turn it on. No issues at all. Well, it's kind of cold. Here we go. It's a nice day. I find an issue with one of the cylinders. The valves are not adjusted. Maybe after they rebuild it, they never adjust the valves. And it's a leak in one of the rear cylinders. The gasket, the valve cover gasket is leaking and is throwing oil in the headers and bonnet. It's smelly. I'm gonna address that. I wanna create a new video to show the easiest way. I don't know what I'm gonna do by books or just by hearing the valve adjustments. But for now, the transmission is no leaks. Everything is super nice. And, I'm pretty happy with the shifting. It's smooth. It's not kicking. Like I said, I also replaced the vacuum moderator. That is pretty easy and cheap to do it. But this is it. This is the Mustang 66 I own from some time now, few years. I just close the hook in that way you can see it better. This is the one. Every single project I've been doing is I'm really happy how ending and how easy it makes the car more value, I think. It looks nicer. I love the wheels and the upgrade for the brakes. It looks really nice and clean. Suspension also. It's pretty cool. Well, YouTube, keep you posted for the next videos. Thank you.